Hi everybody, this is Jeff with Accurate Lock and Hardware, and this is our brand new motor electric latch retraction with a mechanical deadbolt. So now we can do an entry door, a large pivot entry door with nothing but a ladder pull on the outside, a very tall ladder pull, a key, a cylinder, and then we can put this lock in the door which has mechanical deadbolt security. So let me demonstrate how it works. So it's hardwired to a power supply through some type of credential, keypad, fingerprint reader, could be a fob, card reader. And when you come to the door, you enter your credential and power is sent to the lock. You get simultaneously deadbolt and latch retraction. And then when power is removed, the latch extends and secures the door. So from the inside, I can throw a deadbolt and have physical deadbolt security, and upon entry into the home through a credential, both the deadbolt and the latch bolt retract, allowing the door to be a push-pull situation. From the inside, on the inside of the lever, this is the inside. When you want to egress, you simply have a normal entry, deadbolt entry lock where you have simultaneous latch bolt and deadbolt retraction. So this is the M for motor 9134ELR electric latch retraction lock.